In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip your videos horizontally and vertically. I already have my video loaded into Adobe Timeline. To apply the flip transform, go into the effects and type flip into the search box. You can just browse into the video effects folder, go into transform and choose horizontal flip. Now hold your mouse button on the horizontal flip effect and drop it directly on top of your video. This should apply the horizontal flip effect to your entire video and you should be good to go. But wait, there's one more thing. Now I'm going to duplicate the same video I just had by holding Alt key and drag and dropping it right next to it. A copy was made with the horizontal flip effect still applied to it. To remove the horizontal flip effect, I right click on it and go to remove attributes. Confirm changes. Check that the effect was removed, and in the same way I'm going to apply the vertical flip effect to the video, and as you can see it changed vertically. Now in Adobe Premiere Pro you can combine multiple effects, so you can actually combine vertical flip and horizontal flip and pretty much any other effect that you can find in the effects tab. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in one of my future tutorials.